It is 6:15 on this Thursday night. I'm going to call Betsy Kling sunshine today. It was wonderful today.
It was nice, right? And this is when everybody really starts to get like, oh, we need to take advantage of this.
Totally,
Definitely.
yeah. Bottle it.
We've been spoiled, I know, but that spoiling is about to come to a quick end. Let's take a look at what's going on. As we go through the rest of the evening tonight, it is going to be nice. I mean, we have a lot of clouds out there. You may have a few random sprinkles early, but later on, that's when that rain starts to move in here, well after dark, obviously, and especially as we head toward the midnight hour. That rain will then continue as we go through the day tomorrow. What an impressive system, right? Now, if you'll remember back to yesterday, we basically had a line of rain stretching from the northern border to the Gulf Coast. Well, I told you that there'd be a spin that began to develop in that middle of the line, and there it is. That is the low that is going to be the driving force for the forecast for the next several days. This thing will go south of us, so we are going to stay on the northern periphery of it, which means we're going to have all this rain rotating right over us. We will also have a very brisk east wind. East winds are not real common here. I mean, obviously we get wind of all directions, but that east wind is kind of tricky. You have to have a low to the south of us or a very strong high north of us. In this case, we kind of have both. And so as that low continues to move off to the east coast, we'll end up having that wind that's wrapping around back into it. Now, that being said, we right now have pretty brisk winds for tonight too. Southeasterly winds will be taking place, and then tomorrow we have an east wind that is expected. We are seeing some light sprinkles, some late scattered showers that are moving from southeast to northwest at this point, and all of this is staying south as of right now, but the rain will continue to spread northward as we go through the night tonight. Going to take a few minutes and go hour by hour in our National Design Mart forecast here. The clouds will continue to thicken up. There's still some breaks in the overcast at this point, but by the time we hit the midnight hour, we should really start to see the rain shield, that band of rain expanding across the Buckeye State. That will bring it into our territory. Notice here that we have that southeast wind at 12. Temperatures are sitting in the mid and upper 50s at the midnight hour. We will stay very mild tonight. Heavier rain will be moving in. Look at this, mid 50s to start the day tomorrow. East southeast wind at 15. So now not only is it raining, rather steady rain at that, but you also have wind. So really don't plan on staying dry tomorrow if you're going to be outside walking any amount of places. If you park well away, you know, one of the parking lots that's kind of far from the office, be prepared. It's going to be a little bit of soggy walk for you. We will see some breaks as we go late morning into early afternoon. We'll probably get into some of the slices of dry air that wrap into this system as well. But at the same time, we will still have periods of rain coming through. By 3 o'clock, east wind at 15. Temperatures are still well into the 50s around northeast Ohio. Tropical Dover may even get into the 60s tomorrow as that low continues to scoot through the Ohio Valley and the Tennessee Valley. It's not until Friday night and then into Saturday. Notice we still have some scattered showers around for Friday. Friday night football still looks pretty good. Temperatures right around 50. But then look at the shift. Did you see how all of a sudden the wind and that rain started to come at us from the northeast? That's a sign that the low is on the east coast. This will begin to drive in not just more rain, but we will also have colder air that is wrapping into all of this. And as we go through the day on Saturday, expect periods of light rain showers to continue. So Friday we may have periods of heavier rain coming through, but we'll have a persistent light rain that kind of sticks around for the day on Saturday. How much rain is coming? At this point, we're looking at a widespread 1+ inches of rain, and you may be going, oh, that's the last thing we need. Well, keep in mind, in the extended forecast, things do back off. We will get a drying period in here, and the reason it's drying? Colder air is coming in. What a segue, right? Here's your Union Home Mortgage forecast. We stay mild all the way through Sunday. Now, Halloween, early rain chances will then fade away. So it does look like trick or treat should be good for us. And then look at what happens with our temperatures. And yes, you are seeing that right. Wipe the little eyes there because yes, we do have a chance for some wet snow to mix in Thursday night and then into Friday and the weekend. Russ, back to you.
I was hoping my contact lenses were acting up there.